Hey guys, I want to talk to you today about a great plant that you can have in your yard that is decorative, it is beautiful, it's easy, it grows on its own, it's a wild flower, but it's also edible and extremely good for you. So we're going to talk today about the Jerusalem artichoke, some call it the sunchoke, and its health benefits, why it's so good for you, and why it's such a great plant to have either in a garden or in an urban lawn setting. Regardless, no matter what you do, this thing is amazing. Alright guys, all these pretty little flowers behind me are from the Jerusalem artichoke. It is technically kind of a wild sunflower. It's in the sunflower family, but it makes a little tuber on the root, and it is edible, and it is very good for you. I'll tell you at the end the health benefits of eating it. But it's also extremely easy because it's wild, it's native to North America. It takes pretty much no care. You can plant it and forget it and really harvest forever, because if you don't harvest all of the tubers, just leave some behind, they'll come back year after year after year. It's also something I think that is very pretty, so you can use it for landscaping. It's also something that's kind of discreet, so for those who are growing gardens in more urban settings and they have issues with their neighbors stealing things that are obvious and easy to recognize, like tomatoes and cucumbers, they're never gonna know this is edible. This is just a pretty flower in your yard or a wild flower weed, and when you dig up the root, it is very good for you to eat. It looks like a potato, it's a tuber, it doesn't technically taste, you can use it any way that you use potatoes, but it actually tastes like an artichoke heart, which is where the name comes from. So we'll show you up close what this looks like, how pretty it is, and all of the great beneficial health uses for it. This is something that I think everyone should plant in their yard somewhere. You don't even have to take care of it. You can plant it one time, harvest forever. This plant is just perfect. Jerusalem artichokes are a great source of prebiotic fiber. It promotes the growth of good bacteria while inhibiting the growth of the bad ones. They're also a rare source of starch that is low on the glycemic index. Being high in fiber, the starch is balanced, which also helps to regulate your blood sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes. Sunchokes are also high in B vitamins, which can help with energy, repair the nervous system, and aid in remedying many different digestive issues. They have been shown to lower cholesterol. They're also high in potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and aid in heart health. Jerusalem artichokes contain both copper and iron, which are necessary for healthy blood regeneration and function, as well as for bringing oxygen through the blood to the different parts of the body, which aids again in energy and endurance. They contain many different antioxidants and flavonoids that help to boost the immune system and clear out toxins from the body. This can aid in everything from autoimmune diseases, inflammation, chronic diseases, metabolic disorders, all the way down to the common cold. Jerusalem artichokes are very easy to grow and take almost no care at all, and will even reseed themselves year after year, making them a very easy, beautiful, and beneficial addition to any garden or landscape. Plant them in pastures, on fences, in pots next to your house, in the garden, anywhere that you would like a splash of color in the fall. They're also a late bloomer, making them great for pollinators when most of the other flowers have gone. So make sure you go and plant you some Jerusalem artichokes in your yard. I hope that you have found this video to be useful. If you enjoyed this content, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and as always, we will see you next time. Is the bug on it?